Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. In today's video, we're covering an issue that every patio furniture owner needs to know about: year-round patio furniture care. Let's face it, we all want our outdoor space to look its best, no matter the season. So today, we're covering the important cleaning basics for all the major patio furniture materials. But before we do you know what the #1 determiner of outdoor furniture longevity is? Choosing the right materials in the first place. Make sure you go for weather-resistant options like aluminum, teak, or all-weather wicker. And don't forget about those cushions and pillows. Outdoor-friendly fabrics like Sunbrella keep your furniture looking better, longer. Now let's talk cleaning. For wood, give it a good scrub with mild soap and water, and every once in a while apply a protective sealant. Metal furniture can also be cleaned with just soap and water, but it might need a little rust busting with a wire brush first. Plastic, easy peasy. Hose it off and use some gentle soap if necessary. And for those fabrics, check the labels and toss them in the washing machine on a gentle cycle. But what should you do to get the most from your furniture in every season? Well, in spring, give your furniture a thorough dusting. Clean it, and don't forget to apply any necessary sun and rain treatments. The sunny summer season calls for some extra UV protection, so break out those UV-resistant sealants and cushions. Fall is all about keeping those leaves at bay. A simple wipe down every once in a while should do. And don't forget to give your fire pit some love. Regular maintenance and cleaning keeps your fires safely roaring on those cold fall evenings. And when winter rolls around, it's time to store your furniture properly. Give everything one final cleaning, make any necessary repairs, and store it inside. If you don't have space, invest in some heavy-duty waterproof covers. With a little regular maintenance and the right products, you can keep your outdoor space looking amazing all year long. For even more seasonal cleaning tips and tricks, be sure to check out the description below for a link to our comprehensive guide. And hey, while you're at it, why not swing by patioproductions.com and check out our latest collection of luxury outdoor furniture and accessories. Trust us, your patio will thank you. So go ahead, show your furniture some love, and make this patio season the best one yet.